Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing the most dangerous topic, that is city creation, and this everything is created also. Here, basically, we are talking about the 20 percentage error. One person told that basically, one example basically I have given that if you create the cake basically, then nobody basically in this world basically, even the specialist cook also basically, if he prepares basically, then also he can't prepare the 98 percentage good cake basically. Why? Because you can't prepare basically, that is rules basically of the universe, so you can't be perfect basically. So he told that okay, so that is one thing basically. Then basically the one of the person told that, do you remember basically the one word basically I told basically, set of words are equal to cities? Then he told that yes, set of words basically are equal to cities. Words are created by cities, cities basically created the words. So one of the person told that basically, this Vadodara city hai na, that has created how many words? That has created 1800 words basically. Then he told that okay, so 1800 word is created by Vadodara city, right? So like this basically, but each and every word basically has created how many words? So assume that basically entire world basically created 4 crore words basically. 4 crore words basically. Then he told that okay basically. Then basically one of the person told, from Vadodara energy, these all are the basically things basically which is created. Then he told that okay. So like this, the person told that basically 3,75,000 cities are there, which created 4 crore bloods. From 3,75,000 cities and the 4 crore words basically which is created, the both basically created 1 lakh human needs basically. So he told that okay, 1 lakh human needs means bread created, fruits created, vegetables created, oil created, petrol created, cements created, each and every construction item created, computer created, each and every iron created, plastic created, tamba created, this created, that created, medicine created, cotton created, polyester created, each and every things basically they created, right? From city equal to words, and that from that energy basically. Then he told that okay. So one of the medical industry basically told that basically, we generate daily basically our World Bank basically, that is the World Blood Cells basically, that is the World Health Organization, we generate daily 1,000 disease in the world basically. Then he told that daily 1,000 cities, sorry, daily 1,000 disease basically gets in the world basically. Then he told that 1,000 city basic, sorry, 1,000 disease basically gets generated in the world. So he told that okay, on the base of the processing of 3,75,000 city energy and 4 crore world, sorry, 4 crore world's energy, and the creation basically is 1 lakh human needs. So this is the combination, that is three combination. On the base of three combination, uh, the process basically happenings in the World Health Organization, that is the software basically. They don't know what they basically, so I basically don't know what software basically they are using. Assume that they are using some software, their basically process happens daily. 1,000 disease basically gets generated. That disease basically immediately basically they don't they basically are not sending the data. They are sending the data to after certain months basically, that this all disease basically got generated. So assume that Vadodara city got that data basically, and they basically gets data in advance of 1 month, 2 months basically. 2 months advance data basically they gets. They send the data as a, in the form of the power supply and in the form of the energy supply, that is in the environment basically. They sent data, they sent. Then basically they send the disease also, because disease you have to send, that is the rules. After that basically you can send the, after that you can send the medicine basically in the form of power supply basically. Just see basically how dangerous basically each and every things basically are connected. The person who created the world basically, he got the 20 percentage education error. That error is this everything basically, that error is containing this all things basically, this all basically are error basically. So he sent the disease and he basically immediately sends the energy also basically of the medicine in the form of the medicine that basically generated. That basically are basically what actually one of the person told that that all are the combination of 3,75,000 city energy, 4 crore words basically, that energy, and words basically are created from the cities, that energy, and then the 1 lakh human needs basically created from the world basically, that, and that are the 3,75,000 city energy. So that is the combination on the base of the entire 1 crore 1,000 disease basically generated, and that basically disease has generated, and that basically medicine is also given. So in this basically what happens, sometime basically what happens, sometime basically few people gets the power supply data, they basically get some disease basically. Few people basically body basically say that basically our body, our basically immunity power is too much basically. So due to reason, immunity power word basically are there basically. Immunity power words. There are certain immunity power words. Words equal to cities basically. That city has created set of human needs. That human needs basically our blood is containing. Due to that data basically, we don't get effect small disease basically. Our body basically doesn't. Our body basically is immunity power basically. Immunity covered basically data basically. So he told that okay, few body basically can't take that much data basically. Immunity power basically does not exist in the data in that body basically. They get disease. Few disease basically. Few people basically get certain level of body also. Their body also gets damaged. Some people basically gets heart attack also. Some people gets head brain damage also. Lots of things basically happens. Why? Because their basically body structure is not up to that level. Reason, this combination basically, the combination is, so one of the person told that basically the world basically is very dangerous here basically. That's why basically the, that's why one of the person basically told that basically I have divided this, that is this basically, I have divided this basically, that is this thing basically I have already done basically. The reason behind is he knows everything basically, that what basically that is uh, 3,75,000 cities energies, then basically 4 crore words basically energies, then basically the 1 lakh human needs created, and the 1,000 cities, 1,000 disease basically daily gets generated basically, and that data basically are covered by the power company in the form of antibiotic. The antibiotic also basically they have basically, and that antibiotic is the next level of the creation basically. So like this basically the body generates next level creation also basically, body generate next level of creation also basically, and few body basically not able to take that next creation basically, they get disease basically, and few body basically takes basically body parts damage also, and basically few people basically gets heart attack also, few people basically get some disease also, new disease basically, then few people basically dies also. Reason behind is the disease, the medicine which was sent by the World Health Organization for the future creation, they basically say that basically these people basically can't exist in the world, they basically are supposed to die basically, they basically can't take the next level of future basically. So how they take the decision, that basically they also might not be knowing basically, because the system basically generates the data, and that basically data contains the god data also, that is the god family energy data. For example, the few people says that yeah, what this god family are doing basically, they are doing this only basically, which people should exist in the future and which people is not supposed to exist in the future basically. That is basically the energy basically which is sent via the power supply. Few things